Welcome to Redline Review. High-performance engineering and creative, fully functional interior design are combined in the 2026 BYD Campervan, a state-of-the-art electric campervan. Built by BYD, a global pioneer in electric vehicle innovation, this motorhome offers zero-emission transportation without compromising speed, elegance, or comfort. Performance. The 2026 BYD Motorhome's dual-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain can generate up to 600 horsepower in instantaneous torque, and it can go up to 700 kilometers, 435 miles between charges. BYD's blade battery technology allows the motorhome to reach 80% charge in under 35 minutes. The drive's low center of gravity and ingenious suspension system provides stability, smoothness, and whisper quietness even at highway speeds. External design smooth aerodynamic contours, a huge panoramic windscreen, and LED matrix lighting are all features of the futuristic exterior design. The RV is supported by 22-inch aerodynamic wheels and features a fully integrated solar panel rooftop for extra power. Its eye-catching front fascia and BYD's recognizable lighting strip give it a modern, high-tech look. Elegant interior design. Upon entering, you are greeted by an elegant yet eco-friendly interior that features sustainable materials and state-of-the-art smart home technologies. Master bedroom, furnished with a king-size memory foam bed, LED mood lighting, automated curtains, and a personal entertainment system. Noise-insulated walls provide the utmost privacy and comfort. The bathroom suite contains a touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart toilet with bidet functions. Clean water systems are powered by BYD's filtering technology. Living area. A spacious living area with a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a workstation that folds out, and a panoramic glass ceiling that can be made translucent or opaque. Kitchen. Completely equipped with a smart induction cooktop, a digital inventory managed refrigerator, a touchscreen operated oven, and a small dishwasher. Countertops are constructed from reclaimed quartz. Climate and light control. Smart sensors allow you to customize the temperature and lighting in your home. Everything can be controlled by the voice assistant, a smartphone app, or the center touchscreen. Features and technology: integrated solar array for off-grid support and backup energy, satellite internet and global 5G connectivity, augmented reality windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, a hidden garage for an e-bike or scooter, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, and a smart energy management system for economical power use. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than simply a car. It's an independent, fully electric, luxurious home on wheels. Whether traveling between countries or camping off the grid, this RV gives the modern traveler state-of-the-art performance, brilliant design, and total eco-conscious luxury.